Happy holidays, hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to explain the 5 New Year resolutions for 2022 that you should consider if you want a clear vision into your success for the new year. This video will be packed with advices and tactics which I'm going to do during the year as well, so you can ensure that you're hitting your goals and targets. So please make sure to stay until the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make more videos for you guys to watch and enjoy. We're closing in on 100 subscribers, so let's already start off the year in a good note and claim the success. What's up, my people? Hope you guys are doing well. I'm sure you guys can notice these like little faint pencil marks. I'm currently planning for my backdrop for these videos. Saying that, let's get into the video. So resolution number 1 is money management. And I believe anyone watching this video, they obviously can do better with their money. Even for me, I'm still continuously improving my money management, especially as a uni student. I'm constantly having a constant battle with my mind about when I should order food, and also spending a lot of money on nights out. Eventually it will add up and it can be quite horrible. So how could you improve your money management? And I have one answer for that, which is quite universal. A lot of you guys probably know this, but it's Monzo, the banking app. The reason why I use Monzo compared to other commercial banks like Barclays or Santander is just because you have the ability of locking up your money. And by locking up your money, you will not touch your money at all. And at the moment, I currently have 3 pots. One of the pots is for my weekly budgeting. So I give myself a £50 budget per week to buy for groceries or whatever I want to do for the week. I'm very strict with the £50 rule. I have a second pot which is essentially for investments into myself. So let's say, for example, I want to get a haircut. What else? Or let's say, for example, my gym membership ran out and I need to pay for a new one. My £50 budget would probably satisfy it, but the fact that I'm using that £50 budget to also eat for the week is not wise to use my gym membership money for that. If I want to buy a new course so I can learn something, that's what my second pot is used for, so I can actually buy stuff which is worthwhile. And my third pot is the pot which I do not touch at all. No matter what circumstance it is, I do not touch it. And that is where the majority of my money is kept. So let's say, for example, you guys are downloading the Monzo app right now, and let's say you have about £3,000 in your Barclays bank account. This is how I stratified my money right now. I will split up my money to 70%, 20%, and then 5%. So 70% will go to my pot 3, the one which I will absolutely do not touch. The second pot will hold the money which I would, as I described, use to invest in myself. And the last pot is the money I'll be using to essentially enjoy in a way, and also strategically budget with to pay for my food for the week or whatnot. So that's just an example of how you can use Monzo to stratify your money and essentially manage your money. You can do it whatever way you like. That is just an example. 75, 20 and 5% rule. That's the rule I use currently for myself. It is quite tough at the moment, but it is going to be worthwhile, especially when the uni academic year is finished, and when I come back home from summer, I have this lump sum of money which I can use to actually build again from having another job, for example, or using it to invest into another sort of side hustle or whatnot. Or I can actually use that money to properly enjoy it during the summer as well. There's a lot of ways you can actually utilize your money much better during the summer or later months in your life compared to right now. And one other method which I'm doing this year to improve my money management is this. Yes guys, so this is quite evidently a money pot. I'm dealing with a lot of digital currency compared to actually paper money or coins. I won't be actually holding paper money, but the times where I do actually have paper money or coins, I throw it directly into this money pot. I never deal with actual paper money because, first of all, I rarely get in contact with it, so I know that if I actually have paper money, it'll be in limited amounts, it won't be a lot. I instantly just throw it into that money pot, and obviously I can't spend it. And one of my methods is that each year I'll be opening this on New Year's. So this is a new money pot. Obviously you can hear there's a little bit of change and a few notes in there, but I will be opening this in 2023. yeah, so subscribe right now so you guys will be notified in a year's time when I actually open this box. So I'm not really dealing with paper money that much, that's why I throw it into that money pot. I'm not doing anything sus like J2 Trappy and that. So anytime I'll have paper money, just chuck it straight into there. You'll stop spending stupid money and you'll save a lot of money during that time. And the fact that I'm doing this for 1 whole year, you will see the results and see how much money I will save. So resolution number 2. The day is coming very, very close, guys, where I'll show you my gym results. Yeah, I've been working out for about 6 months now, I'd say, and I've seen amazing results. I can't wait for you guys to see. Anyone in this world needs to be active. It is good for your mental health, your physical health, any aspects of your health. As a man from Pakistani descent, we're one of the most inbred people in this world, population wise. We also have really, really fatty, poor diets, and also everyone in our family don't understand what mental health is. So that puts me in a position where I need to be better than the average person when it comes to my health. So my advice or tips for anyone who's starting the gym for the first time or hasn't started the gym in a long time is that you start off subtle. Don't go straight into running on a treadmill as fast as you can, doing long jogs or pushing the heaviest weight you can and going up from there. Do not do that. By making small subtle changes and making small little habits, it will slowly build up the foundations for you to make great changes in your life. And remember guys, these are resolutions. You're meant to build on this for the whole year, so do not rush into it. So if you're completely new to the gym, I would recommend even going to the gym once a week. Get a feel of the gym, get to know the equipment, get to know how your body performs, and ultimately get your body adapted to exercise. I know everyone has that experience, including I, that as soon as we go to the gym, we try to do the most we can because we feel motivated, and then we wake up the next day feeling sore as hell, and we can't go gym for the next 3 or even 4 days because our muscles are that sore. So yet again, start off subtle, go to the gym once a week, do full body workouts so your whole body is essentially adapting to this new change, and slowly build it up from there. And you can increase your commitment. Say you go once a week and then twice a week after, let's say 2 weeks or a fortnight or even a month. It's totally down to you. Everyone's different, so make sure that you slowly progress, but ensure that you are progressing. Do not stay in one spot, but don't go too hard at the same time, if that makes sense. Resolution number 3. It kind of builds on resolution number 1 and number 2, which is the gym and money management, but it is food. You need to eat healthy to ensure you are saving money so you don't have to waste time going to a doctor's or even paying for any hospital bills for my American lot out there. You need to eat healthy to ensure that you're hitting the most optimum results in the gym as well. Food is also medicine, so by eating tasty and nutritious healthy meals, you are making your body physically and mentally prepared for any infections, especially during this COVID pandemic times. One way I believe you guys can help yourself to eat more healthy is by eliminating snacking. So stick with eating 3 times a day and eliminate the snackings in between those periods. But as you all know, we're human. I have those times as well where I'm really craving something and nothing's gonna hold me back. I really want to eat something sweet. So if it comes to that, I really recommend opting into healthy alternatives of that snack. So say for example, you're really feeling Caspers or something desserty, you know. If you're feeling brownies or ice cream, which is usually saturated with fats and sugar, you can opt in for healthy alternatives, which is low calorie brownies or low calorie ice creams. Just to ensure that food is the most important thing when it comes to health, going to the gym and you want to see results quickly, or just your general well-being, and also when it comes to saving money. Remember guys, make small changes and build on them throughout the year. Resolution number 4. It is organization. You want to organize your time and schedule. No matter whether you want to have more free time to enjoy, more free time with your loved ones, you need to organize your life essentially to make up the time. And one platform which absolutely helped me to be organized is Notion. I got recommended Notion by a brother called Jonathan Doku. He's got a YouTube channel. I'll link it down in the description below. Make sure to check his channel out after this video. And Notion is a way of you organizing your thoughts and also making different pages based on your life. The link I'll link down below is the paid version of Notion. However, there is a free version and I use the free version myself. So please ensure that you go look at the free version and download it, because it greatly improved my organization. So yeah, as you guys can see, that I have my schedule here, which it contains my to-do list and my weekly list, and that's how I organize what I need to do for today, as well as the stuff I need to do during the week. Also, as you can see on the left side, I have my reading list, the books I've been recommended to read. Also my shopping list, my goals, my monthly plans, my YouTube ideas, my creator hubs, which is essentially me brainstorming and ensuring that I make the right content for my YouTube videos, and my mind map, which is essentially where I blurt out all my ideas when it comes to YouTube videos. So yeah, this is just an example of my my Notion webpage. It's great for your organization, and I do recommend you to download it. So yeah, link in the description, check out the free version. It is amazing. Resolution number 5, that is to take photos and videos and make memories. One thing I wish I did earlier during my younger life, now that I'm actually officially an adult, is take more photos and videos. And the app which is perfect for that is Snapchat. Snapchat is so easy to document your life and make memories and save it. It's already got it all planned out. But yeah, you can take multiple videos on Snap, you can put filters and stickers, make it as fun as you want, and it's so easy to share, and pretty much all the youth has Snapchat and loves it. And the reason why I realized this should be a resolution for me and why it should be a resolution for you is because I remember when I'm in the group chat with the man them or whatnot, and they used to just share their memories, and I'll be like, shit, I remember when that happened, but I don't have any memories for myself to share with them, if that makes sense. So yeah, I felt like, damn, I really should have some videos of them, because they have a lot of photos of me and of themselves, but I don't have a lot of photos of myself on my own phone, or photos of them on my own phone, so I have nothing to share with them. And I feel like, damn, I really should be more involved. And saying that, taking photos and taking memories is such a great way to see your progression. I started 2021 being someone very introverted, very timid in a way, but now I'm trying to be more extroverted and essentially put myself out there, hence this YouTube channel. And yeah, I just wish I could see more of my progression from the very start of 2021. I only have a few photos or memories of myself, even during my weight loss. I know you guys haven't seen the end results, but back when I was a bit more chubbier, I didn't take enough photos of me when I was chubby, or even before photos when I started my actual workouts. I don't know why I didn't do that, but I really wish I did, so I can actually track my progress, and it's a way of you motivating yourself as well. An amazing thing about Snapchat is also they do yearly throwbacks. So after the year ends, they always create some sort of montage or compilation where you get to see your memories, and it's just a nice way of you getting to see what you've done throughout the whole year. So that is it, guys. Those are my 5 resolutions for the year of 2022. Please smash the like and subscribe button if you gained any value from this video. If you implement these goals and resolutions and consistently work on it, making those subtle changes and building it on throughout the year, you will definitely see results, and you guys will thank yourself for it. And if you guys want to see my progression throughout the year, smash that notification, that bell notification, so you get notified when I next upload. And yeah, let's grow together, let's build together, guys. So please make sure that you're staying safe and you're enjoying these happy holidays at the moment. We're getting further and further from the year of 2020, the worst year of everyone's lives. So yeah, make sure, guys, that you're always progressing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please stay safe and stay blessed.